Hello everyone, Yuki from nTopology, and today I'm going to show you our copy and paste functionality in nTop, which is now available in 1.14.3 and any versions after that. And also don't forget to stick around to the end to see how you can use this functionality to increase your work efficiency. Let's get straight into it. So to copy any block or blocks, you can select the block by left clicking on the block, or select multiple blocks by holding Control and selecting those blocks that you want to copy. And with those blocks selected, either right click and press copy selection, or click Ctrl C on the keyboard to copy, or under edit, press copy. Now when it comes to pasting, you can use it within the same or different instance of nTop. When you're pasting within the same instance, the pasting is much like duplicate. It'll create a copy of the block, but with the pasting option, you can paste it anywhere in the root of the notebook or in the input of a block. But the essential aspect of this functionality is the cross notebook capability. When pasting, you're given two options: paste and paste with references. When you're just pasting any variables, external references associated with that block will not carry over. But when you're pasting with references, any variables associated with that block will carry over. So if you have a long workflow, you can copy that last block that builds up to that final part, and you can paste it with references to the other instance, and it'll bring all of the blocks needed to build up that block. Let me put this in a scenario where this copy and paste function can help. So let's say worker A is building a weight reduction workflow with topology optimization and is further lightweighting it with a shell and infill. But because worker A is on a short timeline, is developing the top opt workflow on his CAD part, he delegates developing the shell and infill workflow to worker B. Now, after both sides have finished their respective sub-workflows, they need to combine those workflows. Worker B can then send that nTop file with the workflow to worker A and bring both instances of nTop side by side and copy paste that workflow worker B has created into worker's A notebook, and now they have a seamless workflow in one instance of nTop. I hope this video helped you understand how to use the copy and paste, and if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us, and also check out our support page at support.ntopology.com if you have any further questions. Thank you.